Hello, this is Jared from Tablet Command, and we're going to show you how to end an incident and then subsequently how to restore a managed incident. Here we have our incident that we are currently managing, a vegetation fire, and we have completed our incident command and ready to close out the incident. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice the red End Incident button. By selecting it, it'll ask you if you want to conclude, to which we will say End Incident. Our incident is now concluded. However, we need to go back into the incident to continue to manage it. And you'll note in the upper right-hand corner, we now have a green Restore and Manage button. Select the button, select Restore and Manage, and we're back to managing the incident. If, for some reason, you forget to end the incident and you try and go back to the incidents page, it's gonna ask you if you really want to leave this managed incident. You are welcome to select leave to go back to the page, but don't forget to go back in and end the incident. Or you can select cancel, select end incident, and it will take you back to your incident page. For more information, visit tabletcommand.com.